Welcome to this Shopify tutorial where we will be covering how to capture Shopify payments automatically and manually. To get started, you need to have a Shopify account and a payment gateway set up. First, we will discuss automatic payment capture. This is when Shopify automatically charges the customer's card after the order has been fulfilled. To enable this, go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings, then Payments. Here you will see a list of your active payment gateways. Click on Edit for the gateway you want to enable automatic capture for. In the payment gateway settings, look for the option to capture payment automatically. This option may be labeled as Capture Payment Automatically or Auto Capture. Check the box to enable this feature and save your changes. Now let's discuss manual payment capture. This is when you manually charge the customer's card after the order has been fulfilled. To do this, navigate to the Orders page in your Shopify admin panel and find the order you want to capture payment for. Click on the three dots at the right side of the order and select Capture Payment. You will then be prompted to confirm that you want to capture the payment. Check the box to confirm and click Capture Payment. The payment will then be processed and the order status will be updated. It is essential to note that you can only capture payment manually if the payment gateway you are using supports this feature. Some payment gateways such as Shopify Payments support both automatic and manual payment capture, while others may only support one or the other. Best practice is to test your payment gateway to ensure it is working correctly before enabling automatic payment capture. You should also make sure to review your orders regularly to ensure that payments are being captured correctly. In conclusion, capturing Shopify payments automatically and manually is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can ensure that your payments are being processed efficiently and effectively. Remember to always review your orders and test your payment gateway to avoid any issues.